I call this story golden in every home. Open any Indian kitchen and you'll find it. Haldi, turmeric. A pinch turns food golden and the day brighter. In dal bubbling on the stove, in fish curry on the coast, in kadhi in the west, and in sambar down south. Marinades for paneer in pickles, your aunt swears by, and yes, grandma's haldi dood before bed. You might call it a turmeric latte. She calls it life. But turmeric isn't just taste, it's tradition. At weddings, the haldi ceremony paints couples in sunshine before they start a new life. At home, a little turmeric water at the doorstep says, "You're welcome and you're safe." In temples, it becomes tilak on a forehead, a quiet prayer you can see. It's also self-care. I've seen face masks made from haldi and chickpea flour before a big day. Scrapes? Someone mixes turmeric with warm oil into a quick paste. And colors? That yellow on textiles, often from this root. Travel across India and turmeric changes shape, not meaning. In Kashmir, in Bengal, in Maharashtra, in Tamil Nadu, in the northeast. Same golden thread, different tapestry. Behind it all are farmers. Fields in erode fields, in Sangli markets. Buzzing hands dusted yellow by harvest. Turmeric is livelihood, not just flavor. Why does it matter? Because haldi is a daily promise. A tiny scoop says, protect, purify, prosper. It turns food into comfort rituals, into memory houses, into homes. So tonight, when you cook, add that pinch. Taste the centuries. Feel the gold. And remember, in India, the simplest things are often the most sacred. That's the power of turmeric, golden, in every home.